To create quizzes on Brightspace, you can click on the Quizzes link from the top blue menu. Once you are on the Quizzes tab, click the New Quiz button. Then type in the quiz title in the text box under Name. Click the Not in Gradebook field under the Grade out of Title. Select Add to Gradebook. Enter the maximum points possible for the quiz. If you want to add a due date, you can write it here. After the due date, you may enter the description of the quiz. Now, to create your quiz questions, you can choose to add existing quizzes by clicking the blue button to upload a file that includes your quizzes. You can also create new questions by clicking the Create New button. Then, choose New Question. There are multiple question types such as multiple choice, true and false, fill in the blanks, and more for you to create. If you want to set a timer, click Timing and Display. Check the box next to Set a Time Limit and enter the time limit in minutes. Under the timer settings, you can choose Quiz Start and when the time limit expires. For Quiz Start, asynchronous means each student's quiz timer starts individually when they begin the quiz. Synchronous means the timer starts on the start date. All students' quiz timers start at the same time, regardless of when they begin the quiz. For when the time limit expires, the first one means the quiz will be automatically submitted when the time limit is reached, regardless of whether the student has finished. The second one means the quiz will be marked as having exceeded the time limit, but the student can continue working. The instructor can see the time limit was exceeded when reviewing the submission. Lastly, Do Nothing means the quiz won't be submitted or flagged when the time limit is reached. Once you are done, click OK. Under Timing and Display, you can randomize questions by checking the box next to Shuffle Questions and Sections within the quiz. You can also choose to disable email, instant messages, and alerts within Brightspace. This can help minimize distractions. You can allow students to take the exams multiple times. To do that, click Attempt and Completion. Click Manage Attempts and select the desired number of attempts. Then, define how the grade will be calculated for the multiple attempts. The grade can be calculated based on the highest score students get, the average scores of all attempts, their first attempt, and others. Once you are done, click OK. Once you are satisfied with all those settings, make sure at the bottom where it says Hidden. Click on it to make the quiz visible to students. Finally, click Save and Close.